Hello students, today we are going to see about chapter 3, example 3. So in the example 3, they have discussed about the parallelogram. First we need to know what are all the properties of the parallelogram. So let us consider this is one parallelogram. So whenever there is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So here it is AB and CD. So opposite sides are equal. And again BC and DA are equal. So whenever we have parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. That is, this angle and this angle will be equal. Similarly, this angle and this angle will be equal. So opposite angles are equal. Similarly, the adjacent angles are supplementary. That is, these two angles are adjacent. Okay, so for example, let me take this angle as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. Supplementary means when we add these two, we will get 180 degree. Okay, so angle 1 and angle 3 are equal. Why? Because they are opposite. So these two are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles, when we add those two angles, we will get the value as sum as 180 degree. And then diagonals bisect one another. So here BD and AC are diagonals. So when we draw the diagonals, these will bisect one another. Bisect one another means here we have meeting point, right? So these two diagonals are meeting here. Okay, bisect at this point. When it bisect, this value and this value will be equal. Similarly, this value and this value will be equal. That is, OD it is equal to OB and OA it is equal to OC. So before solving the problem related to the parallelogram, these properties you should know. Okay. Let us see the example 3 now. Find the perimeter of the parallelogram PQRS. The figure 3.16 is given. So in this figure, we need to find out the perimeter. So first of all, what is perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but total length of the boundary. Okay, so we need to find out the total length of the boundary. And in another way, we can say that it is sum of all the length of all sides. Okay, so we need to add all the length of all the sides, then we can find out what do you mean by the perimeter. Okay, so I can say that perimeter is given by sum of length of all sides. So all the sides length we need to add, that is nothing but perimeter. Okay, so what are all the length we have? It is nothing but PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. So these are all the length of all the sides. Okay, and then again, what is the value of PQ? PQ is 12 centimeter. What is the length of QR? QR is 7 centimeter. What is the length of RS? RS we need to find out. Okay, so previously we know that the opposite sides are same, right? Opposite sides are equal. So PQ is equal to RS, which is equal to 12 centimeter. Similarly, opposite sides QR is equal to SP is equal to 7 centimeter. Why? Because opposite sides are equal. Okay. So since opposite sides are equal, we know that PQ is equal to RS is equal to 12 centimeter. So whatever we have determined, that we can write here itself. Okay. So RS, now I know that it is 12 centimeter, and SP I know that it is 7 centimeter, which is equal to, okay. So 12 plus 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, and then 1, and plus 12, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is nothing but a 3, 31 plus 7. 7 plus 1 is 8 and then you have 3. Okay. So totally it is 38 centimeter. Okay. So thank you. Thanks for watching.